Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to plan a charity event in Notion, your 2025 full guide. First things first, you'll need to set up your Notion account and create a new page for your event. This acts as your central hub where all event-related information will be stored. The reason we do this is to aid in organization and streamline the process. Next up, we're going to create the event framework. This includes the event name, date, time, venue, and other key details. You might wonder why we need this. Well, it forms the backbone of your event and provides important information at a glance. Once the framework is set, let's move on to creating a task list. Divide it into several categories, such as marketing, logistics, and finance. This helps us because it breaks down the overwhelming process into manageable tasks, boosting efficiency. Now that we've done that, the next step is to assign tasks. This is done by adding a persons column in your task list and assigning each task to a team member. This step is crucial as it sets clear responsibilities and avoids confusion down the line. And there you have it, the basics of planning a charity event in Notion. But wait, there's one more thing to remember. Don't forget to regularly update and check off tasks as they're completed. This gives a clear picture of progress and what's left to do. Let's wrap this up. Using Notion for planning your charity event can make the process organized and efficient. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.